Good evening, guys! Happy New Year to everyone! First, thank you so much, Tim. Thank you so much for organizing this block screening. And I super appreciate that everyone took the time para mapanood po itong movie namin. Yes, I am very excited for you guys to see this. I am very proud of this movie. And yes, ibang offering ito from my team, from me, dahil this is not gonna be the usual comedy movie na ibinibigay ko sa inyo since I started doing films. And yeah, I hope that everyone gets to enjoy the movie. Hindi ko alam kung gets to enjoy kasi parang sa dulo hindi nakakatawa. Pero yeah, pero this is gonna give you a brand new experience. And alam ko naman madami sa inyo marami sa inyong breadwinners din. I'm very sure marami kayong kakilalang breadwinners. And this movie will somehow explain and open our eyes kung paano talaga yung totoong plight ng maraming breadwinners dito sa Pilipinas.